So I'm standing in front of a Clayton Shuttleworth threshing machine and straw elevator. The straw elevator is the latest project to come from the heritage team of the vehicle section. It was finally put together 2 weeks ago, just before it headed off to the Great Dorset Steam Fair for its first public outing. This weekend is the first running of it off the threshing machine. It's the culmination of about 4 years' work, with the elevator's carriage being completed first, and then a break to do other activities. The elevating section itself was restarted in earnest back in January, and in total has taken about 4,000 hours. So the elevator is actually a very rare piece. It's a haze pattern elevator, one of very few that are actually working, and even rarer is the Clayton and Shuttleworth one. These will hopefully be on display in the hangars throughout the winter.